we've got to write this as a single fraction, right? And then just going back to the normal normal fractions, let's say 2/3 add 4/5. But in order to add these up, you've got to have the same denominator, right? That's the only way to add fractions, and the same rule applies here as well with these algebraic fractions too. So with this though, with these normal fractions, it's quite easy to find the common denominator. It's just 15, right? Multiply that by 3, multiply that by 5, therefore multiply that by 3, multiply that by 5. But now, because these are numbers quite easy to see, but here though, because these aren't numbers, these are algebraic terms, it's quite difficult to see what the common denominator is. So there's a trick though to solve this. And the trick is that, let's say you've got 2 over 8 plus 3 over 15. To find the common denominator of 2 over 8 and 3 over 15, there might be a lowest common multiple, but to work out a multiple, if you just multiply these two with each other, that would also give you a multiple of them. So multiply that by 15, multiply that by 15, multiply that by 8. Well, if I just do that, then that would give me a lowest common multiple, right? And that's what we're applying here in this question. Because it's really difficult to find the lowest common multiple, so what we do is just multiply the denominator with each other. So let me just write the question down. Can you write the question down as well, please? This one, that. And then to find the LCM of these, let's multiply the left-hand side by 3x, and then multiply this denominator by x plus 1. Therefore, you've got to multiply the numerator by the same as well. Whatever you do to the bottom, to the denominator, you've got to do the same thing to the top as well. Okay, there we go. So 5 times 3. Are you doing this on your own, is it? Let's do this. You carry on with this on your own, and I'm going to do it on my screen as well. And then once you get your answer, compare yours against mine, see if you get it right. This though, 3x multiplied by x plus 1 would be 3x squared plus 3x, and it's the same here as well, 3x squared plus 3x, denominator the same. Add them up, 17x plus 2 all over 3x squared plus 3x. And that's done. That's the answer.